My name is Mike Maderi and I'm located in Surrey-Fleetwood. I've been with Budget Brake and Muffler Auto Centers for 10 years. Every day is different. You meet different people, different challenges, and it's very rewarding to help people. We do full service automotive repairs. Brakes, exhaust, diagnostics, suspension, engine work. We do wheel alignments as well. We like to keep a solid team so when the customer comes in, over the years that they see the same faces, so we build trust, a relationship. Sometimes with 3 generations, we make sure that we cater to the customer's needs. Just like today, we had one of our guys drive the customer to their appointment. People should bring their vehicles to us in Budget Fleetwood because we're honest, we give them a decent price, and we do good work the first time. And our customers seem to like that, so they keep coming back.
Budget, budget, budget auto centers. Budget, budget, budget auto